we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
Good morning. 4 a.m. now. So we try to pack last our stuff. Yeah, then our journey start now.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Finally, the day has come. We're leaving the UK. Fantastic.
You and I, we got it.
Finally.
We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Thank you. Hey, little man. Hi.
Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight.
Oopsie daisy.
Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
So we're on the bus. This is just stopping at stop on the way to the airport. So we'll be here for 20 minutes before we leave.
Oh, yes, Ned. Hi. Too much stuff. Yeah. First time we're coming here. Hi, Jenny. Did you find a coffee shop?
We can take it slow, make sure we do this right. Canceled out my plans to be with you tonight. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be.
So we're at Heathrow Airport now. Really, really great that we can eventually be on the way, leaving the UK. Wish we were traveling to Mongolia today, but we're going to Mongolia next week. We're first heading back to Sweden. We have a couple of things we need to do. Surprise again. A couple of things we need to do there. We're there for 1 week before we travel back to Mongolia. But it's really kind of strange because it feels like we're going backwards.
I'm really interested in how we feel that back to Sweden.
Yeah, really interesting. I mean, we've been away from Sweden over a year now on this journey. So it's going to be interesting, but we've got a week there. We're going to go around, we'll show you some things, and then we're getting everything ready to go back home to Mongolia. So fantastic.
Yeah.
Season 2 is coming.
Exciting.
Exciting. Okay, guys, see you later. Bye.
finally on the plane.
So we finally made it to the place that we're going to stay for a week. Many exciting things. We are going to go in and just we're just going to go in. We're in Sweden. We're just going to go settled in, and we'll catch up with you guys tomorrow.
I think it's really exciting.
Really exciting. Morning Pressbyrån, cup of coffee.
Morning recharge.
Morning recharge. Okay. Mongolian embassy. We just spent the last 3 hours at the Mongolian embassy here in Stockholm, and it is still pretty much unclear. We traveled anyway from the UK to Sweden. We're going to spend a week in Sweden. We have our flight booked back to Mongolia. We also needed to apply for a visa at the Swedish Mongolian embassy here for some reasons, but there are some problems. So we're still a bit unclear or unsure what's going to happen. I have been granted my long stay visa in Mongolia, but I need to collect that in Mongolia. So we need to get back to Mongolia before I can get that. But the embassy is a bit confused because
They have a new law and new system, and then it's like have to read carefully, and it's like still really not clear what we need to do.
Because I can't get a tourist visa. Well, I could get a tourist visa, but then I would need a return ticket, and that could also mess up my long-term
Yeah,
visa.
exactly. You can't get that tourist visa enter and then can't change the
Yeah,
visa
exactly,
type,
can't change
so-
it. So when I first went to Mongolia, I went on what's called an H-type visa, which is a family visa, which was for 3 months, because of course we are married in Sweden, but we are also married in Mongolia, so I have a Mongolian marriage certificate, which was no problem to get the H-type visa.
And then
And
comes a new system.
Yeah, then we applied for my extension for a long-term visa, which is no problem. I was able to travel, but now it's how to get back to Mongolia.
Yeah.
So we have some family members that are going to be contacting. We got a number from the Mongolian embassy in Sweden to contact a certain person in Mongolia who's going to handle our case, and then hopefully they will send the paperwork to the Mongolian embassy here in Stockholm, and to find out which H-type visa, because now they have
Or
apparently...
not H-type or like F-type, but
Yeah,
you need
which
to
type?
find out.
They have a few different types of options. So, very unclear, but we'll keep you posted. Either way, we're going to get ourselves there.
Yeah, we will see tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll see tomorrow. Otherwise, we're just going to spend the rest of the day out. Our little flame is getting some sleep. We'll catch up with you later.
we will
Okay,
see.
ciao, bye.
Ashley. Good morning.
Good morning. So we are on our way back to the Mongolian embassy. Zula's family got hold of the person dealing with my immigration to Mongolia, and we worked out that instead of an H-type visa, I needed an F1 type visa. Flame needs an F3. So the person dealing with us was going to send information to the Mongolian embassy here in Stockholm, and then we can do the application. So hopefully we get that sorted out, as we're supposed to fly in a few days. Yeah, so let's hopefully get that done and find out when we can leave. The information still has not come from Mongolia, but they did receive an email while we were there that they will get all the information tomorrow. So tomorrow morning, first thing, we need to be here, and then we can get the visas. That's pretty much it. So we have a whole day. We're just going to go around. There's a couple of things that we need to collect that we want to take to Mongolia. So we're going to do that, and we'll catch up with you guys later. Just coming to Bauhaus. There's a couple of things that we haven't been able to find in Mongolia, so we're just going to take it with us. That's the simplest thing.
Good morning. I'm going to Mongolian embassy today again because Flame has a checkup appointment today. That's why Ashley go with him. Otherwise we can't get there in time. Hopefully get the Mongolian visa today. Otherwise we can't fly tomorrow. Really hopes. We will see. So, finally we're going to Mongolia! Got the visa for Flame and Ash. I was so worried about, my goodness. So now I'm gonna meet Flame and Ashley. So I didn't tell him I got the visa and got the passports. So we'll see what he's to say. Hi, Ponchik. Hello. Hi. So, we're back again. How was it with the Flame today?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah? Hi, Flamey. Good.
Passports?
Yeah.
You got them back?
Yes.
With the visas?
Yeah.
Are you talking rubbish to me?
Yes.
You sounded a bit funny. It's like
Yeah?
I couldn't get a straight answer from you. Like, what did they say? What happened?
So your reaction, that's it?
Done.
Fine. Yay! We're going to Mongolia. Hi.
So guys, well, great news. We eventually got our visas.
Yay!
it took a few days. The Mongolian government sent all mine and Flame's paperwork to the Mongolian embassy here in Stockholm, so they were able to print us an entry visa, and then we can go and get our residence cards. So really, really fantastic.
Yes.
Just in time, because we're supposed to leave tomorrow. So it was a bit nervous and chaotic the last few days,
Yes.
as you can imagine. But man, it's really, really exciting and actually great to get going. I mean, being back in Stockholm is wonderful, brings back some memories since we know the place so well. But being back in a concrete jungle, it's the stress, you know.
Yes.
We are looking forward to being back at our homestead in our place there.
Yes.
We have so many memories and so many things that we want to do. So, yep, we're looking forward to traveling and getting to follow our true north.
Yeah. Another long travel.
Yeah, things are going to be different this time. We have a lot of things to tell you, but time is running out, so we're going to save that for the next video. In the next video, we are going to be back in Mongolia.
Yes.
Fantastic. And once we get back to the homestead, we will have a good sit down and let you know exactly what's going on. Things are going to be a little bit different. Our content will be slightly different, but some of the stuff that we still need to do. But yeah,
Lots of work to do.
lots of work, and we gotta make this thing work.
Yes.
Yes, exactly.
Exactly.
So guys, we're really thankful to you. Thank you for following us along and letting us show you a part of our life. And it has its ups and it has its downs, but we're gonna keep fighting, keep going for our dream. And we will see you next time in Mongolia.
Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye guys.
Yeah. Next video will be in Mongolia.
Yeah. Okay guys, good night.
See you later.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
So let's go, homie.
Nice, relaxing, enjoying a nice beer before the next plane. Fortunately, the plane was delayed by 2 hours, which is great for us because the plane in Stockholm was also delayed from leaving for an hour, so we thought that we would only have half an hour to get from one plane to the plane to Mongolia. But fortunately, this one was delayed. And to spend time in Istanbul airport is fantastic. They have so many shops, they have so many restaurants, they have so many nice things. So we're gonna have a beer, walk around. They might have some Turkish delights. Cool. We're getting there.
When the flight's late, it's always sad, but this time it's really good for us. It was awesome. I'm actually first time happy that the flight is late. We are going to Mongolia.